With Canva for Education, teachers can easily facilitate creativity and collaboration in the classroom. Students get access to all Canva Pro features, including premium templates, graphics, and videos for free. It is easy to set up classes from your district account. Let's get started. Type in your district email address. This will take you to your district login page. Type in your credentials to log in. Create groups for your classes to make it easy to assign designs or folders in just a click. This will make managing group work and differentiating learning simple. Set up student groups here. Add your students and select Create. Add folders to organize templates and designs for your classes. Get started here. Use subfolders to organize topics or projects. Restrict access and allow students to view templates or designs. Or assign edit access to designs for customizing and collaboration. You can also grant edit and share access, making it even easier for students to share and collaborate on designs with classmates. Have designs you've already created? With Canva, you can bring your previous designs to your new district account. First, switch to your old Canva team by selecting it from the menu here. Go to All Your Designs and open a design you would like to move. In the Share menu, select Publish it as a template and copy the template link. Now it's time to switch back to your new district team. Paste the link in your browser and make a copy using the template. This will save your designs in the new district area. Managing student creativity and collaboration in the classroom is easy with Canva.